Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded, and the project title name is IOT based greenhouse monitoring on Thingspeak using Raspberry Pi Pico, DHT11 temperature humidity, moisture sensor, LDR sensor, and gas sensor, BMP180 temperature humidity sensor. And here we are using 5 volts power supply module, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor. It is connected to the GPIO 16th pin. MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor. It is connected to the ADC127 pin. Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. 16 cross 2 LCD display. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. Temperature and pressure BMP180 temperature and pressure sensor. Those are connected with SCL and SDA 4,5 pin. LDR sensor, it is connected to the 26th pin of ADC0, and soil moisture sensor, it is connected to the ADC2. So here we are using the Thingspeak app, temperature and meter, DHT11 humidity, and BMP180 temperature and BMP180 pressure, LDR sensor, and MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, and soil moisture sensor. Let us coming into the hardware part. We are using 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED power supply board, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, BMP 180 temperature and pressure sensor, LDR sensor, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And here we are using soil moisture sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So now I am going to give the power supply. Okay, IoT based greenhouse. So we have to provide the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Okay, so here Wi-Fi hotspot username is project, password is project1234. Okay, so it will show you the Wi-Fi module number. Yeah, ESP4FB3E5 module number is detected. You can go for number of devices, you can go maximum number of devices you can allow. Wi-Fi hotspot. Hotspot connected. T for temperature, LDR, and gas. Okay, so soil moisture. Now I'm going to dig the soil moisture into the water. Every 5 counts, it will send the data to Thingspeak server. Yeah, moisture is detected. So here the moisture value should be updated onto the Thingspeak. We will see one by one value. So last time 115, till now it is updated, not updated. Yeah, it is updated. Just now it is updated. Okay, now all the values are coming one by one. Okay, temperature, it rises to 35. So now I am taking one doop stick. Okay, sending to Thingspeak. Temperature 32. Temperature 43. Sending the data to Thingspeak cloud. Okay, now the temperature will raise to 40 plus. Yeah, 40 plus it raised. Okay, so 43. Okay, it will also measure and LDR should be dark, LDR 38. Okay, I am closing the LDR sensor, LDR 32. Every 5 counts it will send the data to server. Okay, LDR 32. So now I am taking the gas alert, gas. Okay, moisture sensor. Okay, so if I am removing the moisture, okay, so all the values are one by one updating. 19. Okay, BMP180, temperature 38.9, pressure value, and LDR value, smoke value. Now smoke value is also updated, 330. So here 0 to 9 volts transformer, 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040, and 16 cross 2 LC display, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, BMP180 temperature pressure sensor, LDR sensor, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and soil moisture sensor. And thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded.